Hi, friends. How are you? Happy Wednesday, my dudes. Alright, let me just like re-download. That was too fucking loud, okay? Fuck you, game. Fuck you. Okay. Oh my god. I'm not gonna crash. Ah! Why are we diving like this?
Oh my.
I'm crashing.
You're crashing?
Oh god.
You meant the helicopter.
Pull up. Pull up. Who are you? Like his jacket though. Oh, sorry guys. There we go.
Kelvin's certainly a weird one, Lewis.
He's some
He is
like who
certainly
hired him in the first place?
I have raw oysters. We gotta cook those.
Oh, oysters. Why don't we
Else they go
just slurp them raw?
I mean, you can't.
You can.
You didn't
Yep.
need to say it like that.
How else would you describe it? I'm sorry, English not
No.
my first language.
No, it was the way that you said it. It wasn't the sentence itself, because the sentence itself, yeah, true. You slurp raw oysters, but you're like, why don't we just slurp them raw? I mean, kind of, but like, I would never. So.
Why is the turtle backing up, dude?
What?
I just stood in front of it, and it was just like, nope.
It's scared of you because it probably watched you murder one.
Well, I haven't murdered anyone. Wait, I'm not actually doing anything. What am I supposed to do, Olivia? Ooh,
Remember
rock.
how we had like there was a stream up somewhat from I probably shouldn't have told him to get logs already. Lewis doesn't like Kelvin.
Neither do I. But that's mainly because of the name.
I mean, we can rename him again.
Okay, okay, both chats, come up with the name, please.
Yeah, we need a name for him.
Yeah.
So we can stop calling him Kelvin.
Yeah, we don't like that name.
Do you think they'll be upset that I just broke their like ritual site?
Yeah.
Oh well. You just have a stick.
Uh,
You know you have an axe, right?
Wait, where?
Open your pack and then open the the emergency pack, and then you'll get an axe.
Oh, that's actually what you told me. Wait, give it to me. Just open. I want it open. Oh, okay, never mind. But what should we call him?
Oh god. Oh, frick.
Let's
There we
go
go.
up here. Flowers!
I would rather like clear this entire area so that we can see if they're coming at us. You know?
I'm probably gonna do. Okay, Diana says we should name him William Squirtleton the Third Esquire.
We're gonna have to write that down. I am not gonna remember that.
I'm fucking pinning that. That is so good.
That is good. Can I call him Willie for short?
Yes. William Squirtleton the Third. And you have to say it with like a somewhat of a British accent.
Oh god.
Yeah.
I'm gonna insult so many people.
Wait, why?
Because the accent's gonna be so bad.
Well, I'm not insulting Americans, hopefully, so we'll definitely not insult the British. It's fine. It's gonna be fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Yep.
Nope, that's not the button I wanted. Nope. Nope. Nope.
I just heard you like double up.
Nope. Oh, did you? Just now? Is
Yeah.
it T? No, it's not.
Hello?
Oh yeah, no, it is T, because that's the
Okay.
walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. I'm trying to figure out, I don't remember how to bring up the thing to make things. The manual? I don't remember what button it is. Unless I have to open it from my pack first. I might have to do that.
That's a good question. I actually don't know.
I think I figured it out. Okay, so first we need oh, I know that. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's B. Once you
Oh,
open it for the
B?
first time. Once you open it, yeah, for
Oh!
the first time.
Olivia,
What?
what do you want me to do?
Your person's just crouched.
I stood like this. Olivia.
Do you want to help me get sticks so we can build this log storage?
Yeah, I like sticks.
Same. I love how you said like you were surprised that I didn't join Jesse's stream and just say daddy to Leon, and I'm like,
Yeah.
but I don't know what's socially acceptable in other people's streams. Like, is it socially acceptable for me to just join random streams and say that?
Yeah, I think it is.
Like yours, I feel like it's socially acceptable for me to do it.
100%.
But like, I don't want to join somebody's stream that I don't know if they're okay with me saying that or not.
I mean, at the end of the day, if I come into stream and yell daddy, if they're not
Yeah.
good, cool with it, it's not the right place for me.
I mean, fair. That's fair. Wrapped. Alright, we need 7 more sticks.
7
And then
more.
the-
How I
The logs
have
can go somewhere.
where'd all my sticks go? I have a couple. I have
If
many.
you bring them over here to the log storage and just click E on it, then it should give it to them. There we go. There we go. So then we should be able to just put them there.
Oh, nice. My god, oh my gosh.
What?
What's happening? Oh, never mind. Oh my god, oh my god!
He's
Oh my god.
tired. What?
I'm getting hit. I'm hitting myself. Oh my god, what's that? What's that?
Just press X. Just press X.
Oh, wait. Oh, well. I pretend like
Remember
that.
when I said I don't remember the controls of this game?
Yeah,
I'm slowly remembering.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm not. I also
Alright,
think,
let's
like,
start.
I'm, like, emotionally, like, I don't know, stunned because I know what's gonna come. And I get so scared, so I'm just like, Olivia knows everything. It's gonna be fine. I'm just here for, like,
Everything,
good entertainment or something.
everything will be fine as long as I don't kill Willie. Is what we decided.
William Squareton the Third. Wait,
Okay, I feel like this is a good spot
should
for our house.
I make a tent? Or
Yeah.
fire?
While we build our house, we should probably have some sort of shelter first.
I am gonna make a fire.
Yes.
Do I have sticks? I have no more sticks.
So we just whack some bushes over there.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my god, he's still getting logs for us.
Tell him to chill.
I mean, we're gonna need them. It's fine.
It's
Alright,
fine.
I think I'm gonna learn from last time and not make a giant house at first. We're just gonna make a smaller one. And
Yeah,
then we can add on later.
yeah. Oh. Yep. All right.
Oh, I thought you were Willie for a second. I was like, what is he doing?
Okay. So, wait. So how do I actually? No.
I'm so proud of him for doing his job.
Yeah, he's doing great. Okay, so let's go to the stick. Nice. Nice. Haha. Woohoo.
Did you build the fire? Very nice.
Yeah. Big fire.
Is he tired again? Yep.
Oh, look at him. Oh,
Willie,
William.
why does he look
Jeg synes, det var
like that?
William
Why-
Squatterton.
Why does he
I feel like something is watching us.
well, I mean, there's definitely a camp up there. And over there.
Olivia, I was right.
What?
Who are you?
Wait,
it-
where?
Is it
where?
Lim?
Where?
Is it?
Where?
Look, right ahead.
Where? I'll fight. Come here. Oh! So he had a chainsaw. He had a chainsaw.
Wait. What?
You're gonna have to come get me, or I can respawn at their camp and try to run back.
No, I'm gonna get you.
Okay, I'm
Where
about
did
to
he
die.
go?
though.
No, I'm right next to you. I'm right next to you. Oh,
Oh no, I died.
fuck. Wait, where did he go?
okay. It's okay. I'll make my way back. It's okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Oh,
Wait,
there's so many around me. Oh,
What?
frick.
What? Wait, what do you mean? What are you talking about?
I'm at their camp.
Don't do that. Wait,
Right side.
Kevin, follow me.
Okay. Faster. Pick it up faster. Okay, I know where you are. I'm coming. No, you don't see me. The cannibal's gonna try to kill me. Please. Please. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good.
He's okay. I need to equip my axe. Okay. Okay. He's coming into camp. Olivia.
Wait. The chainsaw guy?
Yes.
Don't tell me that. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Oh my God! What are we gonna do? Olivia's coming for me. He's coming for me.
Okay.
Should
well,
we attack
okay,
him at the same
so-
time?
Yeah, so one of us is gonna have to distract and the other one's gonna have to attack.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, he's so
no,
fast.
please. Oh my god, why is he so
Okay.
fast? Why is he so fast?
Okay, don't worry about it.
Nice. Oh, frick.
Oh, I'm down. Oh wait. What? Oh yeah.
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 Stay
Yeah.
down. Is he dead?
Better.
No, he's not dead.
Okay.
Yet. Now he's dead. Ugh.
Ugh.
Oh my god, we did it. Look at us go!
Oh my God, that was.
But now, how do we get the chainsaw?
I didn't lose my cool.
I
at
want
all.
that. Is that a chainsaw? What is that?
I want it. Give it to me. Olivia, do we have
Oh,
a
it's dark out.
tent?
Nope. I can make one.
Let's make a tent.
Tent. How do I make tent?
Why is the notebook so close to you?
How does one? Wait, I need sticks. Frick.
I have sticks, I think.
Hold on.
Wait, then I can
might be-
just make it.
Place sheet, get stick. Place stick under sheet.
Do I have a sheet? How the fuck do I make it though?
I can't see anything. Wait, is that a stick? I found a stick. Okay. Whoa.
Whoa.
Where are you?
Over here.
There you are. Down. Nope, that wasn't correct. I broke it in half.
I mean.
I love Baltic.
Okay. Oh wait. Okay.
Stick.
I brought up.
Two
I
stick. Wait, did you figure it out?
yeah. You just right click when you like have the stick.
Oh, okay. So now, if you take a tarp,
I don't have
equip
that.
tarp. I have a tarp.
I made a
I-
fence.
I don't think that's right.
Oh. Okay. So do we need me to put
Alright,
a
okay. Tarp.
Oh,
Tarp,
wait.
right? Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
let's save. Like, Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
I did it! I did it! We made a tent. Yeah, we gotta save.
I just saved. How do we go to sleep?
Press and hold Z on the tent.
Oh, there we go.
A break stick in half has 2 sticks, 2 tents. Tent, indeed. Wait, I want this though. Oh, it's not a chainsaw. It's a boat propeller.
Oh my
But I
god,
want it.
Virginia!
Will it hurt me if I run into it? No.
Okay, that's such a big dude. Ugh! Okay.
Boat engine got gas for days. When will I stream Genshin again? I don't know, Shadow.
Never!
Oh, it's the lady again.
It's Virginia, or Lim Lady, as previous known as.
Can you eat the man? You can, yeah. Wait, Helena, didn't
Yeah, let's, Olivia, don't talk about that. Okay, it was just a one-time thing, okay? It was just a one-time thing. I don't know what you want me to say about it.
If you're a guy, you can pitch a tent much faster. Rap! Oh.
Oh. I thought. We thought.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. Give me some water.
Stop, no sad.
Say what? Yes, I am a cannibal.
Oh. Don't say that.
I gotta do what I gotta do. Okay.
Don't say that. No sad. Why are you sad?
A fish. Oh my god, sushi. Wait, I didn't mean to like eat it. I just wanted to. Wait, give me that fish. Yeah. Why can't I just pick it up? Ugh. Why can't I pick up to the dead fish to cook though?
Rough it.
It's sushi, okay?
Okay, fair.
You can just kill the fish. Oh, you eating fish? What are you doing?
I'm now eating the fish.
I thought you were about to stab me.
I remember this. There's the lady again.
Lady Virginia.
Willie is following us.
William,
Willie!
come along, William.
We renamed him Willie, sir.
Yeah.
Look at him sprint! Look at that form. Never mind.
I mean,
Just a little.
he looks like he pooped himself. I think he did. Now he's just.
Yeah,
out
why does he
there.
waddle like that?
I like the waddle. Let's go. Why did you go so fast? So fast. Oh, shells.
There being a flare. Oh my god, there's a person alive! Oh
What?
my god, are we about to make a friend? He died as I.
Oh. Well.
Hello? We also have a machete now.
Ooh, yes.
Pick
Now
up
we
the
have.
machete from over here.
Oh my god, I'm sure that was
You should have it
aspirin.
too.
We got aspirin. I would die without aspirin.
And this
Oh.
is the cooking pot.
Wait, why
so
am
there's
I
a cooking
always-
pot and a machete over here. Just tap it instead of holding it down when you pick stuff up.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Wait.
There's the propeller thing.
Wait, but why can't we have it? I want it. stony.
Jeg har også overvejet det, men jeg har også tænkt, at hvis det bare er sikkert på.
Trouble setting up a tent.
tent.
Why are you calling me after this? I found grenades, a machete, and solar panels. 10 out of 10. Yes. I did have a hard time setting up a tent. I may be a bit dumb. It's okay. Alright, it said I was hungry. Oh, I'm not hungry anymore. Now I'm thirsty.
Jeg ved ikke, hvordan man kan huske det sådan, at bare det er virkelig det.
Alright, I think that's everything over here, so we can head back.
Ja, det er det.
Where's Willie? Is he waving at us?
Is he waving?
Did he just wave at us?
He's like, hi guys.
He's like, guys, I'm still coming over to you. Don't worry, I'm still on my
I'm
way.
here.
Are you trying to wait? Did I just look over at your stream and you were trying to hit the birds?
No.
Jeg synes, det var
Why does it say I'm sick?
fint nok, at
Did I eat
You're
too
sick?
much sushi?
Oh wait, did you eat something that went bad?
det var meget ude,
I don't think
It's possible.
Bare fik lov at leve ud.
Because like the meat and the oysters that you pick up, they go bad in your inventory.
I didn't have it in my inventory.
Oh, well, I don't know then.
Now I have one. Now I ate it. Can make a nice soup.
Så træt af, at folk de snakker
Wait.
om, at det
Oh.
er jo mega basic.
No, Ferelden, she doesn't mean Willy as in one, but
I just realized.
no. So Ferelden, we named our friend William Squirterson the Third. So yeah, let's not call him that anymore, Olivia. Yeah, let's not do that anymore. Yeah, you didn't make cooking thing,
Svært.
I'm going as fast as I can. I gotta
Olivia.
get sticks.
Oh, frick. Nå, Olivia. Nu er det dansk.
Oh,
Nu
well,
snakker vi
oh, no.
dansk. Ja,
Philip, why?
ja, så nu snakker vi dansk her, venner. Jeg har hængt kød på plads, som I godt kan se. Det bliver mega lækkert. Jeg er sådan en...
How did I know that it was also him that did that?
Ja, 100%.
Reinforced
us-
fire. Oh.
Vent.
Oh.
Jeg kan jo dræbe fiskene nu. Og hænge dem. Yeah. Ja. Det kører som smurt der. Nej. Hvem har brug for at kunne fiske, når man bare kan gøre det sådan her? Ikke også lille Olivia?
Duolingo time. I know I have to do it still.
Olivia,
Yeah.
sig ja. Ja.
I'm not speaking.
Du skal bare sige det.
That's what you want me to do.
Du skal bare sige ja.
No.
Lidt
Okay,
lækker
I think I figured it out.
fisk.
This is how you do it. And then
4 gange
and
i stedet for.
then.
Okay, lad mig lige dræbe
I
lidt
can
flere.
throw some oysters in there, maybe.
Ja. Jeg kan også kalde lidt
Maybe.
fisk.
Uh,
Hvad
What happened?
fanden?
Okay, so there's some oysters.
Lækker.
You know, what's really awkward is I threw the oysters in there, but we have nothing else to put in to make something up.
Ja.
Oh wait, we need 3 fish. I need fish.
Det kan
I need fish.
Det
I
kan
need
jeg. Det
fish.
kan jeg.
I need fish. I need fish.
Det kan jeg finde. Det kan jeg finde. Jeg finder fisk. That was hilarious. Thank you for that, Gavids. I am...
What happened? Did you pick up the pot? Wait, what happened? Oh.
Did I just ruin your soup?
No.
Oh, okay.
when I put the fish down. So,
Olivia,
um,
Olivia, Olivia,
what's up?
get your fucking machete.
Når de helt slår sig,
Oh, that's
så kører
awkward.
de bare i sådan en rytme, der hedder...
Okay, I got it.
Dog 3
It's okay.
timer.
It's okay. Give me a second. Machete time. Hello, sleep. Oh, oh. Please. Please.
Wait, why is there so many?
Please. 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 Okay, I got one.
Wait. Okay, never mind.
Oh.
Ugh.
Oh. Kill me.
Wait. No. 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 No.
I'm crying. I'm crying.
No. Wait, there's another one? No, it's just a fucking squirrel. My fucking god.
Oh my god. Oh, there's another one.
Come here, you monkey-looking
Where
fucking
the
thing. Come here.
Did you go?
Ugh, it's right here.
Oh.
Dude, you're making me so angry right now. I can't run.
Okay, just leave him alone. It's okay.
Now
Alright,
they
well,
angered me.
I don't know where the sticks went for this fire.
I have stick.
Anyways,
At jeg er begyndt ikke at vide, hvad
I have one stick.
betyder.
do you have any more fish?
I hang them over here.
Oh, okay.
That was fucking scary.
Hey, yo. That's not even the worst of it.
Wait, no.
I'm gonna...
Fuck.
I can't carry any more fish. Well,
Som om jeg ikke forstår, hvad mig han snakker.
Oh, let's put some...
give these!
Why do I have so many?
Why are you sad?
Wait, why? How many leaves do I have?
Wait, whoa. I need your help. Can
Okay.
you take
Yeah.
the fish
Yes, me take fish.
and put it in the pot?
I can, yeah, I can do that.
So I think you have to pick up the pot.
Oh, fuck.
Yep, and then you're
Okay.
gonna pick.
Oh, frick.
Oh no, it's because you already have one in your inventory.
Oh, wait. Wait, okay.
Alright, so then.
Oh. Oh?
Oh. Alright,
Let
hold
it
on.
cook.
I have an idea.
I'm making tea. Are you drinking
No.
oyster water?
I guess so. Because well,
Ooh, turtle shell
raining.
work.
how is the
wood.
fire still working in this?
Yeah, I don't know. I'll get some more wood. Yeah, only this game is like freakishly scary,
where the
but
Oh, it's getting dark. I can't see again.
Olivia's doing all of the hard work. I'm just here for, I don't know.
To call me a Willy
Yeah.
and sleep.
Sleep, sleep. Sleep. Yes, I am hungry.
This is scary
Oh.
for Helena.
Yeah, so what?
This game is scary.
It's scary, okay?
I mean, it can have its scary moments. I'm kind of
It's-
vibing right now until we get raided and I start freaking out. And then I end up killing. I can't.
Oh my god, I'm a
What do I
gourmet.
call him? William?
William Squattleton the Third. Wait,
The
how
wood
do
went
I?
into the river. That's a good sound.
Wait, did I make? Wait, how do I
you-
make?
How do you make what? Soup?
Yeah.
If you click the little gear, it'll tell you what ingredients you need.
Wait, why can't I just boil fish? I'm trying to fucking survive. Why is it being? Why are we being picky?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
frick.
you just gotta get in the water. How to get in the water?
Yeah, so that happened. Olivia, I'm hungry.
Well, you dried meat and fish, didn't you? Do you not have anything in your inventory?
I do have something. I don't know why I told you like, "Yeah, I'm hungry."
You're like, Mom, help! I'm
Hungry.
hungry.
Is this dry? No, it's raw fish.
How do I?
Why is Kelvin look? Oh, I'm sorry, William Scotton.
Oh, let me put on.
Why is he so
the
busted?
Stream avatars.
You
Why is he
just
so what?
he's looking so rough, like he's bleeding from all holes.
He's bleeding.
Yeah, look at him. The poor guy.
Well, remember he lost his. Oh my god!
You see?
The way that he just turned and looked at me. Like, what? What are you talking about?
Hmm.
Oh my god.
Wait, Princess, you just finished It Takes Two? Really? Oh. And your relationship survived? Frick. Frick.
Not the immediate frick. Oh my god. You don't want her relationship to survive?
No, but then he needs to like move up here. Like, yeah, this can't continue otherwise.
Why would you do that to me, Philip? My trauma.
Got alien isolation.
Yeah, he played a sound from it and I literally just got flashbacks.
Watch it. Okay, I'm gonna build walls. How do I build walls? Oh my god. Wall built.
You put down just logs.
Hey.
Oh my god, that jump that William just did?
I love how I can almost hear you're about to call him Willie every
Yeah,
single
but-
time. Da, 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 da.
Oh my.
Oh my.
I like wasn't hitting the I wasn't hitting okay. I would like to hit the tree, thank you.
Hmm. Oh, I'm hungry again.
You're hungry again? The meat is not dried yet.
Yeah.
But do you not have ramen? Did you eat all your ramen?
No, I still have it. Why do you say it like that? Eat all of your ramen. I mean, I would like
Did you
to,
eat
yes.
all of your ramen?
No, I did not, Olivia.
I gotta go. Or flashbacks.
What war?
Alien Isolation. You don't know scary until you play that game.
Yeah, I don't think I would.
No, don't. No,
Yeah,
I
no,
don't
no.
wish that upon
Like, I would
anybody.
actually cry, I think.
Yeah, I don't wish that upon anybody. Do not do that.
Also, Philip, you're my friend. Like, advertise the fuck out of yourself. Like, what do you mean?
Is he still getting us? Oh, he did. Oh, I'm so proud of him.
Nice. I'm mean, it would be a very this sign thing to do. Wait, where's that? I'm not from the west, though. I'm from the east. That's all I'm gonna say about that.
Oh my god, I almost hit him.
Don't, Olivia. Please. Please.
I didn't mean to.
Is it the monkey things?
No,
Come on, man.
it is not.
Well, what
How
is
do-
it then?
How does one make...
Wait, Olivia, you
door?
said something was running. Let's deal with it.
No, it was like a small animal. No,
Oh, well.
William, I needed that to make a door.
William. Should we give him a break?
Yeah, probably.
I'll give him a break. William.
There we go. We have a door. Look at that. Look at this beautiful door.
Oh, wait, give me a
It
second.
doesn't lock. So, there's that. Stony.
How can you tell when the meat is like all dried? Right now it looks pretty raw.
Yeah, no, that's all raw.
I am sick. Is it because I'm drinking water from the lake?
It shouldn't be. You can also... Do you not have energy drinks?
I do.
You can
I have
drink
one.
those for...
It'll heal me?
No, it won't
That's
heal
what I'm
you. Do you not
talking
have
about.
meds?
Oh, I do have meds.
Then take the meds.
Where are my meds?
I don't know where my meds are. What the... Oh, there's some right there. They're next to the energy bars.
Oh, I have some. Why did I eat the meds? Like, just swallow them, dude. Disgusting.
Also, if it rains again
Mm.
and this catches the rainwater, then you
Mm.
can drink that without getting sick. It just looked like you were taking it from the ground.
I mean, that might have happened. Who knows?
The way this is how your person just turned, right? I said that and you went like that. I can't. Okay, we gotta finish building this house.
Yahoo!
We should also boil the water. Your sister is correct. You just have... Wait, your water's done. You boiled water.
Okay.
Look it. Pick it up.
But I already drank water.
I know, but then it can be in your inventory and you can just use it whenever.
Oh.
Mhm.
What if we build like walls around our house, like outside?
Yeah, we can. You can build defenses and stuff.
Wait, Princess says this is why you need walls, ladies. Isn't that a wall? Like, what do you call that? Ow, I walked in the fire. No.
Dick wants me to have a panic attack.
Don't give her a panic attack, guys. Please. Go chop
I have
some
to
wood.
be the brave one in this duo.
What makes you say that?
What makes you say that? I'm also
That's-
the brave duo when we play Lethal. I also have to be the brave one there.
I'm not sure I agree with that.
You're not sure you agree with me being the brave one in Lethal.
Mm?
But it's... There's a cannibal.
Ah! I'm coming! I'm coming! Why can't I
Oh my
run?
God, he's just showing his ass.
Mm-mm-mm.
What the frick?
Let me get
Okay,
my
no,
machete. Let me get my machete. I'm ready.
Oh, oh.
Where are
No,
you?
no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Olivia,
Please,
Olivia.
please, please, please.
I'm here. I'm here. Okay, you ready?
He's behind me. Look at him.
Ugh.
I'm distracting him. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
I got him. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Look at... That's traumatic. The amnesia monster? Did you just... What are you doing with the body? What are you doing with the body?
They need to be able to see. Oh, no, I want it. No. Dude, come back up here. This is what's gonna happen. Yeah, spread him. Spread him like that. Yep. Ugh.
Excuse your mouth?
Okay, never mind.
Spread 'em? I need an AO in chat.
You're fine. We're
After that.
fine. That was a lot. Did you just jump over me? Like,
I did. Wait, are these dried?
but then he's gonna go tell the others, right?
Maybe.
Should we not get him?
We can try.
Okay. Yeah, well done. My God. Oh my God, you killed me.
I did. What?
No, you didn't. Oh my God, a spear?
Oh my god. Thank god. We need that. It's also getting dark out and I'm scared. Suggestion? Bow. Thank you, Voltic.
Minky is not scary. I mean, she can be. Yeah, he's getting his friends for later. So now that
Don't say that.
so now that we killed him,
Here.
like, where did the other dead dude go? Oh my gosh.
They took his body. Are you piling them?
No. Why would you ever suggest that? Okay, let's perhaps save.
Alright, so, oh, that's not what I meant to do. Alright, sleep.
Sheep.
You have to do it again.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, I'll make a bow. Oh, we're getting attacked. Oh, we're getting attacked. Oh my god, there's so many.
I'm running towards the beach. Olivia, I'm so sorry.
No, you gotta help me.
Olivia, wait, I can't see. Okay, I'm getting my machete. I'm getting the machete. I promise. Okay, I'm going back. Olivia, I can't see it.
They're taking apart our house.
I can't do that. Break you, dude.
I almost killed William.
Don't do that.
Oh, there's another one. There's one.
Oh!
Did I kill you?
No, I don't think so. The...
Oh,
Hurry.
I died.
Oh, so we're respawning?
Yeah, we gotta respawn. Frick! We gotta run back to camp too, that means.
What about William? Every woman for themselves. I mean, I just thought it was like the reasonable thing to do. It's just like run. Wait, no. How are we supposed to get down? Olivia, where are you though?
You have to cut yourself out.
But where are you? I'm scared.
I'm right next to you.
Are you? Where are you? Oh, you're
Yeah.
right there. Okay.
Ooh. Alright, do you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
We gotta run this way, but you gotta get your stuff. Did you get your stuff?
No.
You gotta get your. Do you see a little like yellow dot somewhere?
Yes. Can we just come
You
back
gotta go-
later?
Okay, yeah, let's go. We'll come back. Come on. Alright, hold on. I gotta...
Wait, but I only have a knife.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, hold on. Now we can go. I had to make sure I didn't die of thirst.
Oh yeah. Can you die of hunger?
Yes.
No.
Fuck, Voltic. I found them. I found our stuff. Our place.
How's William?
I was William.
William Swashington.
William.
Oh my god, William!
William's here. Is the cannibal?
Where's the poo poo guys?
Oh, they're not here.
Wreck. Are you okay?
Alright, let's try to go to bed again.
Alright. My God.
There
Okay.
we go.
Okay, I swear next time I'm not gonna run.
They destroyed our house.
Okay. Wait. I'm gonna go eat some raw fish before I die. Oh, but wait. Oh, there's meat over here. Meatsies.
He's injured. Okay, we gotta go get your stuff though.
Yeah. Wait, is William injured?
I don't know.
Oh, it's
To be
just.
honest.
Oh, did you mean yourself or?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
injured.
Don't. mean that.
Captain.
Wait, how do you see that?
I'm trying to make a bow.
Oh, nice.
Perfect.
My God, that was scary.
Do I have to make arrows? How do you make arrows?
That's a very good question.
Arrows.
Arrows. Should I just try and go up
So
there
I
by
have a
myself?
single bolt. Lots of pebbles and sticks.
I can do that. on
Like
my own, right?
these?
Yeah, I can do that.
Oh no, wait, I need a feather. I don't got feathers.
Feathers. Well, in my backpack, I do.
Birdhouse time? Okay. First, let's go try to get your stuff back. Now it's light out. Thank you, Voltic.
There's a
Voltic
cannibal.
helping us right now.
What's he saying?
I just ate aloe vera.
That sounds healthy. That sounds nice.
It's over here at the camp.
There's so many.
Are there? Oh, we're going to a cave.
Okay, I'm just going for it.
Get your stuff.
I swear to God, I saw
Steal
like
some stuff
multiple.
from them.
Oh my God, nice. Oh my God, nice. Oh, sorry. Oh, oh. Wait, that was fast. Okay, wait. I need to get my stuff.
Should I respawn? Should I respawn?
Yep. Oh my God, he jumped at me so fucking fast. Okay, I promise I'm gonna get my stuff this time.
Oh, for the gun, Voltic? You mean? Yeah. There is a gun that we can get.
Oh my God, nice. Okay, I'm gonna run. Okay. Okay.
Wait, no, still stay here because we might be able to.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Well, wait, I can't. Oh, I can't see you though. Where did you go?
I'm still here. I'm still at the camp.
Something's running at me, I think.
Yeah, it might be a cannibal.
Okay, so you're. Wait, someone is chasing me. There's two
I'm
of
coming,
them.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh my God, machete. Machete. I always forget. It's the machete. Okay, one behind you. Behind you. Okay.
Oh, I see. Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Did you die?
Yeah, I'm just gonna respawn. It's fine.